You're about to watch the Polly Detmers channel. Enjoy.
Hey everybody, I know I was supposed to show a pizza video. I did record one, but this is not a pizza video. This is a fishing video. This fishing video is about 3 people that went fishing and all together caught bass. Those 3 people are my brother, the little lady, and myself. So let's go to where we are cooking the fish. We brought the Fiesta here, and even though that they have a grill right there, we're gonna cook some bass. Let me tell you about this bass. On Sunday, little lady, my brother and I, we went to Stoney Creek Metropark and we started fishing. Just me and my brother had fishing poles with us. Little lady just wanted to be a spectator of us trying to catch fish. So me and my brother, we got our lines out there. My brother said, "Hey, I gotta go use the restroom." I said, "Go for it." So he handed the pole over to the little lady. The little lady wasn't really paying no attention to it, and I'm like, "What the heck? The reel is unlocked and everything." I go, "Give me that reel." We weren't getting any bites either, so I said, "Give me that rod." And, I took it and I put a little tension on that line, and boom! I reeled in a 2-pound, 10.5-ounce bass. Oh, my brother was in the bathroom and I caught it with his pole. So it was a little collaboration catch. Most of the credit goes to me, of course. Little lady just held the pole for a little while, and my brother came back. Well, I wasn't going to tell him, but we filled up a bucket full of water and put that bass in there just so it wouldn't die right away. And he's coming back from the restroom and he's seen the water splashing out of the bucket. He's like, "Oh, you caught one," right? When he finally got up to where we were fishing. I said, "No, you caught one." So we're going to cook it here at this park here in beautiful Michigan, and we'll see how well it turns out. She wanted to cook it on the grill. I thought she was going to maybe fry it, but my brother let us have the fish, even though I'm the one that caught it officially with his pole. Okay, let's get busy. Coals are looking pretty good and hot. Someone's picking up their kid, apparently. We're gonna dump these. Looked like a lot more than what I actually got out of it. I'm gonna set this over here. And then we'll get back to this. She hot. So after we got home, little lady went out and cleaned this bass, and here it is after her cleaning job. I think it's the other side. Oh, there you go. She did a spectacular job. She is a true champion. Look at that. Looking pretty good. You want to put some stuff on it? Yeah. She's a little camera shy right now. Too many people here. She's not comfortable with it. Do some black pepper. Black pepper, salt, and garlic. Is that okay?
Yep.
How you doing? Yep, little lady likes it with the head on there, therefore I'll cook it as well as the head. Is that okay? You alright with that? Little Grace from grillbreak.com. Little lady is a camera lady, so if you're not seeing everything properly, That's why. Guess I just, never mind all that, it will clean up. Yeah, I did put some oil on the grill grate. And
Pen?
we should maybe get some inside there, huh? I can't do it with dirty hands though. Maybe my assistant? I can edit that out.
Just
Okay. She's not a public figure. She doesn't like to be, but she is on YouTube very often. Let's see. Yeah, we'll just measure that out and put it on there. The wind's blowing it all around. Remind me to clean these bottles when we get home. Got some salt. Are you looking at this? Once again, some black pepper. These chips, we got them at Sam's. They are great. All right, we're gonna give it a look. You know, it's been in there maybe, what, 10 minutes? Look at that, that looks great. See how it looks underneath. Oh, yeah. We'll just give it a flip for whatever reason. Looking good? Oh yeah. Little lady wants to hold the camera. Yeah, looking pretty good.
Yep.
You're watching the Paulie Detmers channel. Please like, comment, and subscribe.
Yeah, that was a rewarding fishing trip, even though we only caught one fish. But it was this one fish. You know, I went there going fish, you know, to fish for bluegill. When my brother put the rig on, or you know, the hook on his line, it was this big, huge hook, and he had a big fake worm on there. I'm like, what the heck are you gonna try to catch with that? Well, I'm glad he did it, because that's why we're able to cook this today. Here in the Great Lakes State, we caught that at Stoney Creek.
What's he doing now? What's he thinking now? What's he cooking now? Get nerds. What's he doing now? What's he thinking now? What's he cooking now? Get nerds.
Yeah, this fish was the biggest bass I ever reeled in for me. I did not have a net. We didn't have a net. You know, all I did was I reeled it in, got it up on the kind of like the beach, and reeled it in, and I pulled it in as fast as I could. I didn't want to lose it. But yeah, 2 pounds, 10.5 ounces, largest bass I ever pulled in, and that was fun. And what a surprise for my brother. He was very excited. I wish he could have pulled it in instead of me, though. Folks, every time we go somewhere, little lady pulls out these Parmesan cheese packets and red peppers. I don't know. She keeps reminding me that we got those at Sam's Club when we ate some pizza there. But today it's not pizza. Okay, this fish is done. Little lady needs to bring that little sheet pan she wants it on right there. We'll put it on there. And we're going to see a happy face.
Woo, wow.
Look at that.
Nice.
All right, little lady's going to get a piece if she can cut it off. Yeah, you can use that. We didn't bring a fork or anything. My failure. Oh, let me get a picture before you. Nice. Okay. Go for it, little lady.
These are good
And
stuff.
I hate people. Hey, whoa, don't. That's a little bit too much. I'm just kidding. Oh,
First
yeah.
bite.
Good? Mm-hmm. Masarap?
Masarap. Masarap. Very good. Oh,
Is it overcooked?
no. It's perfect.
Say it again.
Perfect.
Thank you very much.
Salamat po.
Don't pull me.
Very good.
Yeah, very nice. Good
Oh,
job,
wow.
Jeffrey. That's my brother's name,
Yep. Salamat, Jeffrey.
even though I'm the one that caught it. Well done, Jeffrey.